Hello everybody, how are you and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this simple yet 3-dimensional fast mask adapter. This is what it looks like, and let's get started. As usual, the material we use for making these patterns are yarns, a crochet hook, 2 buttons, accessory needles, a pair of scissors. Firstly, make slip knot and 20 chains. Okay, the 20 chain is now complete, so I'm going to make a pair single crochet. Start from chains 2 from the hook. Then I'll put a stitch marker on the top of the first single crochet. Now to make the second pair single crochet, insert the hook into the last single crochet stitch. Firstly, down insert the hook again into the next one stitch, then complete the single crochet. Keep repeating the same stitch until you arrive at chains number 2. Okay, now I'm at chain number 2. Firstly, insert the hook into the last single crochet stitch and insert the hooks into chains number 1. Then complete this single crochet. At this part, you need to make one normal single crochet at chain number 1 and put stitch marker on the top of it. Then make pair single crochet again. Fill up the remaining stitches with pair single crochet until you arrive at the stitch marker. Okay, at this point, you need to make one more pair single crochet and remove the stitch marker. Complete this single crochet, then make one normal single crochet in this stitch, then put the stitch marker again on the top of it. make paired single crochet. Keep making paired single crochet until you arrive at this stitch marker. Then we are here. Make one more paired single crochet. Set the hook in the last single crochet stitch and in the next one stitch. Then complete the single crochet. Then make one normal single crochet in the same stitch. Then make paired single crochet. Now fill off each of these remaining stitches with a paired single crochet. Now make one last paired single crochet. Finally, make slip stitch on the top of a very first paired single crochet. Okay, this is what it temporarily looked like. After this, I'm gonna make the alternate edging. Make chain 1, then slip stitch in the first stitch. Chain 1, slip stitch in the next one stitch, chain 1, slip stitch in the next one stitch, chain 1, slip stitch in the next one stitch, and repeat this stitch all the way around to complete this part. Okay, now when it's complete, make one last slip stitch on the top of a very first edging. Then make 3 dimensions middle stitch. Firstly, make a slip stitch in the first space you find. Then go to the right part, slip stitch. Go to the left part of the adapter, slip stitch. Go back to the right part, slip stitch, in and out slip stitch. Then go to the left part, slip stitch. Keep making this stitch alternately to complete this part. It's done, and this is what the stitches look like. It's really matched the edging. Have a look. It's so beautiful, isn't it? Okay, for the last one, let's make one last slip stitch from the back side of the adapter. Grab the yarns and pull the yarn out. For the last part, make 14 chains as the hooker. Make one more chain and cut the yarn. You also need to adjust it well before you sew on the button. Well everybody, this beautiful face mask adapter is ready. I'd like to say thank you so much for all of you who have subscribed to my channels and have spent your time watching this video. Thank you so much.